welcome back. Today I have my co-host Georgia in the studio today. Can you say hi to everybody at home?
Hi!
So, Georgia, what are we going to be painting today?
We're going to be painting a mixed medium painting.
And what is a mixed medium painting?
A mixed medium painting is where you use 3 or more mediums.
And what is a medium?
A medium is materials like chalk, paint, watercolors, and glitter.
That's right. Good job. Okay, so what are the 3 mediums we are using today?
We're going to do bubble art, glitter, and acrylic paint.
All right, so let's get started. Okay, Miss Georgia, so could you please tell us what the supplies are that we are using today?
We are using acrylic paint, cups with soap and water in them, glitter, glue, and straw, and some Q-tips.
And don't forget about our painted surface, which I've already sketched out the picture you wanted to do, which is a mermaid. So you all set?
Yep.
All right, let's get started. Okay, Miss Georgia, so our very first step is we need to do the bubble art first, right? Because the bubble art has to go down before the rest of the stuff, because you can't put it over glitter, right? That doesn't make sense.
Nah, you can't put it over glitter at all.
Right, so I want you to pick out 3 colors that you want to use for the background. So these are the colors. So which 3 do you want to use? You can use 2, 1, doesn't have to be 3. Okay, bright blue, purple, and teal for the background.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to give a squirt of these, 1 color in each cup, and then we're going to mix it up and you're going to blow, okay? So we have our 3 cups here.
We have light blue, purple, and some teal.
That's right. So what you're going to do now is you're going to put the straw in. Now remember which side your mouth's on. Okay? And then that side's going to go into the cup and you're going to blow really hard. Oh my goodness. Okay, stop. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pick this up and you're just going to press it into the soap. We might need to add more paint, so we'll see what happens. Lift. All right, you got a few. Let's keep doing it. So more bubbles this time, a lot more. There we go. Now quickly press. All right, so we're going to do that for the entire background. Whoa, that is cool. Okay, you know what we could do is we could also scoop it onto the painting surface if you want. You want to see if you could do that? You might pop it all. Nope, okay, that didn't work. That's okay. Let's keep blowing and then just sort of dipping your...
Okay. Then maybe like this. Oh, look.
All right, it's coming along. All right, so we've made a mess, but the picture is looking pretty cool.
Yep, we just need to let that dry.
Yes.
And then the bubbles should stay on.
Yes, and then, Georgia, what are we doing next?
Next, we're going to do the acrylic paint.
Yes, acrylic paint with the Q-tips, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Just like we did in another video.
That's right. Link below for that one. Okay, so check this out. This is the bubble art. Yep. I think it turned out gorgeous. What do you think?
Yep.
Beautiful. Now, do you want to tell everybody what we're doing next, Georgia?
We are going to do some dot art. We're going to do the seafloor and some coral and some seaweed.
Okay, so we're going to take our colors out, mix them together, and then we'll be using the Q-tips, right?
Yep.
To dot the color in.
Yep.
All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we have all of our colors on our plate, and now we're going to mix them together. So you're going to take the bright blue and yellow and make green. And I'm going to take these colors over here. I've got some red oxide, white, yellow, and a little bit of blue. And we're going to try to make a sandy color.
I'm
Ooh,
done.
check out that green.
It looks like seaweed green.
It does look like seaweed green. That's really pretty. And I'm almost done with the sandy color here. What do
That
you
looks
think?
really like sand.
I know, isn't that cool? So you're going to take a Q-tip. You're going to take a Q-tip. And then you're going to start dotting in the colors. Right?
I'm going to start with some sand. And I'm going to dot, dot, dot. Maybe we could like use some blue for like some empty spots where the color didn't really come through. Like
Okay.
some blue.
Yeah, do you want to dot in some blue? Beautiful. Great, so now this is going to dry and then we will get started with the third step. Do silver?
Yeah.
Okay, so those are the colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is after this thoroughly dries, we're going to outline with Elmer's glue and then sprinkle the glitter on, and that's pretty much it. All right, Miss Georgia, so we've got one thing left to do, right?
Glitter.
That's right, the glitter. So I'm going to be putting down the glue, and then you're going to be dumping all that glitter. Does that sound good?
Yep.
Okay, so what we need to do is we need to do one area at a time, because if we put glue down over all the areas that we want it, and then we dump the glitter's going to get all mixed up. So we got to do one section at a time. So hair, her boobies, and the tail, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so I put the glue on her hair, and now you're going to take that glitter. Now, is that the right color?
Yep. It's brown.
Okay, and then you're going to sprinkle it all over her hair. Okay, a little at a time, though. You don't need to use the whole thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to dump some in the cap, and then you're going to use the cap. Got it?
Okay.
Ooh. And then just refill the cap when you need to. Good job. Wow, check out that glitter. Beautiful. Very pretty yellow. Mm-hmm. All right, so let's show everybody at home what we did here. Wow, check out that glitter. So much glitter. Isn't that pretty? All right, now you can tell everybody what we did.
So we done 3 types of art. Glitter, paint, and some bubble art.
That's right. Good job. I love it. Super easy, fun project, right?
Yep.
Right.
Thank you everybody for watching today. See you next week.
Bye.